In the haven of Sweetwater, where tranquility beckons, a couple seeks refuge from life's demands. Weary souls in need of solace find respite in this tranquil retreat where time holds no sway. Amidst Victorian rooms and the embrace of verdant gardens, they wander hand in hand through winding paths. A morning feast shared in the soft light's embrace, moments cherished away from the chaos of the world. Bicycling through tree-lined paths as though floating on air, their laughter carried on the gentle breeze, lost in serene moments. Underneath nature's sheltering canopy, a picnic in the garden, a shared taste of wine in a vintage tin shelter, a splash in the pool. With each passing hour, they find solace anew in the quiet moments where love's presence abounds. A historic heritage, a sanctuary unveiled, where hearts find refuge in its embrace. Sweetwater Branch Inn, distinctly Gainesville.